In the previous video, we have seen about how to create multiple projects, how to set up your account, and an overview of the Vodex platform. In this video, we are going to talk about agents. When you are logged in and when you select a project, you will see this option called agents. Now, agents is the core of your voice bot. Agent is where you define the script, the name, the organization name, and other details. So let's quickly create an agent. To create an agent, just click on this green button. Okay, and here you can give any name like this. So when someone asks, "Who are you?" it will say, "My name is John." If someone says, "Where are you calling from?" it will say this thing, whatever you put here, which is Vodex. So basically it will say, "I'm calling from Vodex." Now, in the greeting message, this is the thing that the bot will say when someone picks up the call. So let's say the bot is calling someone, and when someone picks up the call, the bot will say, "Hi." So now the bot will say whatever you write here. Now definitely you can pass dynamic data here, like "Hi Tim," "Hi Rob," whatever it is. You can just write "Hi" first name, and you can obviously pass dynamic other parameters as well, like let's say some address or something. But we are not going to cover that in this video. We will have a dedicated video for that. So for now, I'll just keep it simple. "Hi, this is John calling from Vodex. Wanted to speak to you about something. Do you have 2 minutes?" When you click on next, this is where you give the context to the bot. So context is basically some overview, what this call is about, what is your goal, what questions the bot needs to ask. You can click on these buttons. These are the sample contexts. So with this you can get some idea about how to write the context. You can replace each of these things with your own questions. You can replace overview about Vodex with overview about your business, those kind of thing. Or you can completely write from scratch. You can even paste a telecaller script that you would normally give to a human agent. Okay, there is another template that we have given. You can replace it with your own details. So this is just an overview of the context of the call. So what type of call you want the bot to make. Okay, so you can select any default context, and then there is a rule section. So rule is basically to control the bot and to perform certain action, like transfer the call. So here we have written, like, when someone agrees to connect to an agent, just say "Thank you very much. Just hold the line while I'm connecting you to a specialist." And you see the word here, transfer, in the brackets. This gives a signal to the bot, to the agent, that now is the time to transfer the call to a human agent. Similarly, if you see the word disconnect, this gives a signal to the agent that this is the time to disconnect the call. So simply we have written, when you feel the conversation is over, you should disconnect the call. Just say "Thank you for your time," and in the brackets simply write "disconnect." Disconnect word means the call will be disconnected. Similarly, we can use rules to send WhatsApp or SMS. We'll talk about that in the next video. For now, we'll move to the next section. So this is the objections. So bot has obviously came up with its own objections. Okay, so bot has basically created some objections. It is saying that if someone says, "I don't need pickles right now," this is how bot gonna respond. It will say, "I understand you might not need pickles right now." And how is this pickles information coming? Maybe I can quickly show you. It is coming from the context that we have provided here. So here we have given a context that you are a telecaller. You have called a customer who has abandoned a box of pickles in his shopping cart. You need to understand if they are interested in buying the product, and all those details, like you are giving some discount code, something, delivery, you have to tell them, whatever information you want to pass out. So you have given this information. Based on that, the bot has come up with some possible objections. You can always click on this edit option and you can change the objection. "Okay, no problem. Thank you." You can write like this. So if someone says, "I don't need pickle right now," the bot will say, "Okay, no problem. Thank you." The bot is just saying that if someone gonna ask, I don't trust your company, this is how the bot will handle this question. I understand that you may not trust our company, however, we are a reputable company with a long history of all those details. So you can obviously change this answer based on your business requirement, and then once you are okay, just click on next. Now here you can add some more details. This is the first message that we added, when we started creating the bot, but you can add more details. Like if someone asks, where did you get my number from? You can provide an answer there. Who are you? Also, when you trigger a call and if you feel the bot is unable to answer some particular questions, you can put those phrases, whatever the human said, you can put that here, and you can put a bot response here, so that the bot, next time when the bot makes the phone call, it should be able to handle those questions. I'm just putting some random questions. Please do not call me. Okay, sure, I won't call you again. And here you can add more details. With that, your bot is created successfully. Don't forget to click on this radio button to make this bot default. This is useful when you have multiple agents. You can create more agents, and this is how you tell the system which agent you want to use for making phone calls. You can create multiple agents and select the default agent using this button. You can obviously click on this edit button to edit this agent, and you can also delete this agent using this button. So this is a very quick overview of agents. In the next video, we will talk about how to add audiences' phone numbers. Okay, thank you.